What's up, y'all? It's Rena, and I'm back with another resin or epoxy art video. I actually uh, overwhelmed myself with this particular project. I don't know why I wanted to try to do this before work, but I wanted to use up the rest of the resin that I did have left over, and yeah, I ended up almost running out of time. It ended up almost hardening on me while it wasn't in the molds. So yeah, it was just a big mess. So I had to hurry up and try to use it. So I got a whole bunch of little charms and little pieces that I just made to, go ahead and use up the resin so I wouldn't waste it. I can see how that did affect some of the project or some of the pieces on how they came out, but some of them I really did enjoy making and how they came out. I chose cotton candy colors for this particular project. I was really excited to use a mold I got from Temu, actually. It is a lighter holder or a lighter mold, lighter caddy, something of that nature. And I really wanted to make that for my sister. And, these two colors she generally likes or she wears a lot of. So I wanted to go ahead and incorporate these two colors for her. And yeah, so that's where I originally started, and I figured whatever was left over I would use. But again, I did not think about exactly how much resin I had mixed. So I ended up using a lot more molds than what I bargained for. So my camera actually died here, so I did miss mixing up the other colors, but this is about where I realized I had way too much resin mixed and ready to go. So I just threw something in there. I thought of black and white, and I was like, okay, that's something that I can make, and I can just wear, a necklace because it goes with everything, something like that. And for my daughter, because she likes little different pieces and everything. So I chose some basic colors that I can use, and yeah, this is where it kind of goes bad. And I just start mixing stuff together to try to use up all the resin before it completely hardens on me. Okay, so looking at some of the pieces, I can see where there's like holes or still a lot of bubbles. Probably because I didn't maybe mix it completely, or again, I just was moving really fast, or maybe because it started hardening up as I was pouring it. So maybe that is why some of the pieces came out with a little bit more holes in it than others. But some of them I actually really did like. This piece was one of my favorites. I really like the two-tone with the pink and the blue, and how the back actually combined as well. There's one other piece that I really enjoyed as well, and that is the two double hearts that connect, which is actually coming up here in a moment. Oh, I just love this. It's so pretty. I can't wait to actually give this to my daughter. She loves hearts, so I figured this would be something that she would really enjoy, and I just really love how this turned out. This was by far the hardest mold I've ever had to try and remove. It was so difficult. I actually had to go run it underwater to see if that would get it to come out. And oh my God, it took me like at least a good 5 minutes to get the thing out of there. Okay, and here are all of the pieces. Again, I really love the heart, the way the heart came out. The lighter mode, I did like it. I hated that it had some type of a dent in it. I don't know where that came from. I just know next time I have to pace myself and not try to rush or overdo things. Get in the comments, let me know how I did, what can I do to get better. What are some methods that you generally use when using resin or epoxy, just so I can grow in this particular craft. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy creating.